So in this video I will show you how to upload images and compress them for your website. I will also give you a link in description. Now click open from computer. Click on file, export as, more, WebP. As you can see, it has almost 35 megabytes. So we set it to 10%. So this image is almost 2 megabytes. We will try to compress it a bit more to 5%. So last chance, I changed it to 2%. Just keep in mind that YouTube is compressing every video, so you may see worse quality.